कोरोना व्हायरसाची लागण जाल्ल्याचो दुबाव आशिल्लो एक चायनीज पर्यटक गोमेकोंत एडमिट जाला। घशांत दुखता म्हण ताची कागाळ आसली। पुणेचे लॅबोरेटरीत ताचे सॅम्पल धाडून दिला, पूण भारतात अजून मेरेन एक्कय कोरोना व्हायरसाची केस सापडूंक नाशिल्ल्यान लोकांनी भिवपाची गरज ना अशें सरकारान आवाहन केलां।
भलायकी सचिव संजय कुमार सांगता ते प्रमाण दुबावित प्रवासी वुहान शारापासून 750 किलोमीटर पयस रावता, जंय लोक कोरोना व्हायरसाक लागून मरतात। आदी हो प्रवासी दिल्ली आयलो आणि थंयसावन तो 7 दिसां सावन गोंय रावता।
We got one suspect case today, and that patient has been admitted in the GMC, and his sample has been sent to the Pune lab. Whenever the report will come, we will share with you. Till now in India, many states have reported that few suspected cases, but of all the samples sent to Pune lab for testing, none of them has come as positive. In India, there are reports which have a direct flight from China. There they have already put thermal scanner. Then there are tier 2 airports where then there is further connecting flights. Goa is not coming into both the list. Still, as a precautionary measure, we have requested the Ministry of Civil Aviation to provide thermal scanner at our airport also.
This has the symptoms exactly like common cold, but it is more severe type of common cold where you will have difficulty in breathing, and there will be this gets into pneumonia very quickly, whereas common cold will not get into pneumonia. So most of these patients are breathless, they have palpitations, headache. At the same time, their kidneys also get affected, organ failures. As per WHO statistics which I saw, 53 people have been discharged after they got into full-blown disease of this coronavirus.
पणजेच्यान आमचो खबराकार यशवंत परब।